There are a lot of great reasons to work in hotel management. The demand for confident, capable managers is high, and these positions can offer you the chance to travel and work in some of the world's most luxurious establishments. If you're ready to land your next great hotel manager job, I'm here to help. I'm Anna, a professional career writer here at Resume.io. And in this video, I'll walk you through my top 3 tips to write a winning resume for a hotel manager position. Let's get started. Let's face it, there's a lot of problem solving that comes with being a hotel manager. You're the go-to person in every situation, from building repairs and inventory to staffing needs or guest concerns. Your hotel management resume needs to capture the full range of your experience and show why you're the right choice as a leader. That's why my first tip is to create a strong summary. This section should grab the employer's attention and quickly explain what makes you a unique candidate. Use these 2 to 4 sentences to describe yourself, your most impressive experiences and accomplishments, along with any standout skills. To help you get started, I've linked to an adaptable hotel management resume example in the description below. Next, let's take a look at your employment history section. Instead of creating a long list of every task you've ever performed, focus on your achievements. Use the CAR method, cause, action, result, to quickly explain how your actions and strategic decision-making led to positive outcomes for the hotel. Use numbers and statistics that describe your impact. This could be the size of your staff, your occupancy rate, guest review ratings, or revenue growth. And my final tip is to customize both your writing and your formatting for the hotel you plan to work in. Take a few moments to understand the hotel's clientele, location, and brand. Your resume should show that you can easily adapt to the work environment and unique challenges of the establishment. The look and feel of your resume should also match the style of the hotel. You can find these professional resume templates and more at the link below. And there you have it. These 3 tips will allow you to craft a great resume and land that new hotel manager position. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with Resume.io's latest advice and expert tips for your job search. Thanks for watching.